Andrew, you're right.
So it's like when you're going on TV. It's like
There we go.
1, 2,
Crap. And then crap. All right, ready?
1, 2. Thank you, Pork Fry.
For that incredible sound.
Also, heads up, I'm going to kill your character.